Hello, Miss. Before I tell my plan 5 years later, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Agnes Glorisiaan, with my student ID number is 056 from class 6B. I have a lot of plans, especially 5 years later. When I was a kid, my dream is to be an architect because I like to draw. And as time goes by, I have other dreams. But now I have grown up. Now I know what I want to do. Now I'm here as a college student majoring in mathematics. I have to prepare myself for my future with skills that I've got from my college. In these 2 years, I plan to create a great YouTube channel so I can get more income. To make sure of this plan, I have to learn how to edit videos and I have to be smart to know which topic can interest the audience. Also, I hope in these 2 years I can finish my studies at the university. After I graduate, I want to work in one of the biggest online shopping companies such as Shopee, Tokopedia, and etc. I want to be the staff manager at last. I prefer working offshore because it gives me the challenge to work over there. Plus, they will pay me higher than work in the office. I will invest some of my salaries so my money can work or earn me more. I'm going to invest my money because I want to make my future guaranteed. In these 5 years, I'm going to make my parents proud of me and make them happy. And then I will visit 2 countries at least. I will buy my own car and my own house. I don't want to get married too soon. I hope my partner will be kind and friendly. That's all I can tell you about my plan for these 5 years, Miss. Thank you.